I'm John Nursall. Along with my partner Yvonne Gagnon, we were very happy to enlist Rodrozen Design and Build to undertake a rather substantial renovation of a condominium that we just moved into, but we faced some real challenges in the layout of the condominium, and that led us to the doors of Rodrozen Design and Build. What we were particularly taken with was the aesthetic that Derek and his crew brought to their work, and we felt that it suited the feeling that we wanted to convey within our place and live within. Very clean, modern, contemporary lines without being terribly obtrusive or ostentatious. The building process began with every good intention. There was a little plague event called the pandemic that arose, and that gave us a few stops and starts in terms of supply chain issues, in terms of trades availability, and that sort of thing. We felt that we could have extended the time, given what we know now about the problems that the pandemic was going to provide for us. In terms of the budget, we began with a certain expectation. Yvonne expected, however, that it might grow from that, and that was good to realize at the outset. The budget was optimistic to begin with. We had certain requirements as well, and there were certain things that just arose under the circumstances that caused the budget to inflate somewhat. This didn't catch us entirely by surprise. At the end of the day, it wasn't really a huge issue. I expect that this sort of thing arises in many, many cases like this. When I think about the overall project and what was really most thrilling and most rewarding to see were things along the way, little things, little highlights, that really cheered us and gave us good optimism on the direction it was taking. Another aspect that we were that I was particularly fond of was the bar unit. It's very nicely laid out. That was given a lot of thought and a lot of attention. I've got room for as much wine as I can possibly fit in there now. Overall, the final appearance is terrific. We're pleased with that. Some of the takeaways in terms of advice that I might provide to others that are undertaking projects like this: being realistic about timelines as far as you can be. Look ahead and perhaps provide ample breathing room. I would say also to be quite comfortable, develop a comfortable relationship with the designer. In this case, Derek was the lead hand in all of this, of course, and we felt comfortable with Derek from the outset. I'd be very happy to recommend Rodrozen Build and Design to anyone that's inquiring along those lines, that wants to do a renovation.